Today's subject is health education and competitive pharmacy, and we have to see the chapter number 1. And in this lecture, we have to see the subtopic is natural history of disease. In this, we have to see the phases. The natural history of disease consists of the two phases. It is important that the first phase is pre-pathogenesis and second phase is pathogenesis. Then first we have to see what is the pre-pathogenesis. Pre means before the phase of pathogenesis. It is the first phase is pre-pathogenesis. Means pre-pathogenesis is the process in the environment. Means this pre-pathogenesis process is occurs in environment. And second phase is pathogenesis. The pathogenesis means the process is in man. Pre-pathogenesis process occurs in environment, and the pathogenesis the process occurs in the man. These are the two phases. The first is pre-pathogenesis, second is the pathogenesis. Then first we have to see the detail about pre-pathogenesis. The first we have to see what is pre-pathogenesis. The pre-pathogenesis means the process is in the environment. It is not entered into the man. It is called as pre-pathogenesis. But the interaction of the human host are already present in the environment to receive the causative agent. It is called as pre-pathogenesis. Simply the process in the environment. The pre-pathogenesis, this is the phase before onset of disease. Means disease are not in this phase. The diseases are not entered into the man. It is present in the environment. This is the phase before onset of disease in the man. It is not entered into the man. The disease agent has not entered in man. This is important. This is simply called as pre-pathogenesis. Means the disease agent is not yet entered in the man. This phase is called as pre-pathogenesis. But the factors needed for its interaction with the human host are already present in the environment. This means in this phase, pre-pathogenesis phase, the disease is not entered into the man, but at the same time, the factors which needed the interaction with the human host are already present in the environment for their interaction. But potentially we are all in the pre-pathogenesis phase of many disease conditions because the human host with the interaction which are present in the environment to receive the causative agent of the disease. Therefore, we all are in pre-pathogenesis phase of many diseases. Then you have to see the diagram. This is called the diagram of epidemiological triad. Triad means it is the triangle, means it is connected with the first environment, second is the agent, and third is the host. The first is environment, then second is the agent. For example, positive agents, for example bacteria, then certain viruses. These are the positive agents for the disease condition. And third is host. Host means to receive the certain things. It is called as the host. Then it is called as triad. Means this environment, agent and host is combination of triangle. It is called as the triad. And what is mean by the epidemiological? Epidemiological is the study of scientific, systemic and data-driven distribution and determinants of the events in the specified events of health in specified population. For example, in school, then cities, then states, then neighborhoods, and globally. It is the study of scientific, systemic, and data-driven. In the population, in the specified population or events of health in, for example, neighborhoods, then second is the schools, then cities, then states, and globally. So this is called as epidemiological triad. Environment, agent and host. Then second we have to see it is the interaction. interaction between the agent, host and environment. Then figure 2 indicates the interaction of agent, host and environment in the initiation of the disease. यानी disease enter होने के पहले it is the phasing environment between the agent, host and environment. In this pre-pathogen state, the disease is not entered into the man. The positive factors of disease are, the first factor is agent, second factor is host, and third factor is simply environment. So these three factors are referred as epidemiological triad. It is called as epidemiological triad. Simply three factors. The first factor is environment, second factor is agent, and third factor is host. It is called as epidemiological triad. The mere presence of these three factors is not sufficient to initiate a disease. Mere means not only. So these three factors, for example, the agent, host and environment, is not sufficient to initiate the disease. And interaction of all these three factors is necessary to initiate the disease process. Means to start the process called as disease. Disease means illness or cause. The interaction of three processes is important. The first is agent, second is host, and third is the environment. Means these three factors are necessary for initiation of the disease process. Then in pre-pathogenesis phase, the disease agent is already present, but it has not entered into the man. Means simply it is called as the pre-pathogenesis process occurs in environment and it has not entered in man. So this process is called as pre-pathogenesis. Then in this lecture we will see the subtopic is natural history of disease. The first we have the phases. There are two phases, pre-pathogenesis phase and second is the pathogenesis phase. Then in this lecture we have to see detail about the pre-pathogenesis phase. Then first we have to see what is called as epidemiological triad, means environment, agent and host. Then second we have to see the interaction between these three causative factors and details about the pre-pathogenesis.